So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to go about investing in the Nigerian stock market, and it will be a practical video because for this video I'll be investing 10,000 naira in 3 various companies in the Nigerian stock market. The reason I'm making this video is because of someone asked the question, how do we go about using Afrinvestor to invest in the Nigerian stock market? And that's exactly what I'm using in this video. So if you have your own brokerage account, you can use your brokerage account, but for the purpose of this video I'm using Afrinvestor. Now, as a disclaimer, the stock I'm going to pick in this video is not me recommending it to you. You should make your own financial decision, and you should also make your own financial research. If you want to go ahead investing in a stock, you need to make your own research as regards that stock. So this is my own preference. I'm just using it as an example to show you how to go about investing in the Nigerian stock market. Before we get started, I need to understand that the Nigerian stock market opens by 10 o'clock and closes by 2:30. So if you want to buy a stock, that's the best period to buy. But if you place an order when the market is not open, your order will be pending. Once the market is open, you can now execute your order. So how do you get started with investing in stock? You need to get yourself a brokerage account. Personally, I use Afrinvestor 2.0. You can get yourself other brokerage accounts out there, and once you register on the brokerage account, you get your CHN number and your CSCS number. Now you can get started trading in stock. So let's get started with the practical video on how to go ahead trading in stock. But if you're not subscribed to this channel, do it by hitting that subscribe button so that you can be getting lots of information on how to go about investing and making some passive cash online. So let's get started with the video for today. Now, if you come to my screen, you realize that I've topped up my wallet on Afrinvestor. You can see that I'm having about 11,000 naira as the total money I have in my wallet. So now, how do you go about investing in stock? You click on invest. Now, once you click on invest, you see Nigerian stock, you see treasury bill, commercial papers, and AfriTrack. So I'll click on Nigerian stock. For the purpose of this video, I'm investing in 3 stocks. That's the Access Bank stock. I'm investing also in Nestle and also investing in MTN Nigeria. So you can see Access Corp. Now, once I click on this Access Bank, Access Holding PLC, once I click on it, I would see an interface where I'll get some information about the stock. Now you can see that the market is open. Now, the next thing you need to understand is that the price currently is selling for 19.95 naira. So you can see it down there. Earlier on, I checked, it was about 20 naira. Now it's 19.95 naira. So once I click on buy, I'll then see some information. Now you can see order type, that's limit order. You can see order period. You can see all that. Now, if I click on order period, I would say good for the day. So that's what you should choose. Now, the meaning of this limit price is for you to put an amount you want to buy the stock. So you can see something like once the price goes down to maybe 18 naira, that's when you should execute this stock for me. So that's, some persons want to use that avenue so that once the price drops, they can now execute the stock. But I will not really be using that avenue, which means I'll be putting the current price of the stock now so that I can trade. So the price of the stock currently is 19.95 naira. So that's what I am putting. That's the price I want to get the stock. Then the number of shares I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 200 units of the shares. Shares units to buy. So once I click on buy Access Corp, it will also load an interface for me. You can see that the consideration and the total. Now you can see all I'm spending for this stock. You can see that I'm spending consideration is 3,990 naira. You can see the quantity is 200, market price 19, commission 57 naira. Total I'm spending 4,067 naira. So once I click on buy now, it will just show processing, and you can see that I have purchase the stock. Now it will just be listed in my portfolio very much soon. So I've spent 4,000 naira in my stock, and now let's go into investing more in other stock. Now I'll just click on invest again. So I want to get more stock. Once I click on invest, I'll click on Nigerian stock market. I want to now invest in Nestle. So once I click on that, now I'm going to browse the website, the name of the company. Nestle. I know that stock is quite higher than the Access Bank. So you can see 870 naira. Whoop, that's quite big. So I might not be getting too plenty of a stock there. Let's say I click on that, and it will show me the same process, order and the rest of them, limit order and the rest. Let's see 870, and let me click on buy. So by clicking on buy, I'm seeing the limit period. I'll still click on good for the day, and I'll click on the price I want to buy the stock. Let's say the price is 870 here. So that's what I want to buy it at. Then number of stock I want to buy, let's just say I want to buy 5 units of that stock. I don't know if I would let's say 5 units of the stock. Now remember, I've spent about 4,000 naira previously, and I'm going to spend 10,000 naira for the stock. You can see that my money is still 11,000 naira because of they have not initiated the previous one I bought. With time they will initiate it and remove it, but I have to consider the fact that I'm 4,000 naira short from my total money in my balance. So once I click on buy next, so I am seeing everything now. It's 4,433. Wow. So once that's just 5 units of the shares I'm buying. So I'll click on buy now, and it would, your order is processing, and it will take some minutes to complete your order. Once I click on that, I click on done. So now I want to invest again. Now remember, I've spent, now you can see my balance I've reduced to about 6,687, which means probably the first one has initiated. Now let's say I want to invest 10,000 naira into this stock. I've spent 4,000 naira for the first one. I've also spent 4,300, so I need to play around 1,500 for the next stock I'm buying, and that is MTN Nigeria. So once I click on this invest, I'm clicking on stock, and I'm clicking on MTN. I'll search on MTN Nigeria. So these are my preference. You can make your own preference if you want to go about investing. So it's about 1,901. Sorry, it's 191 naira per share. For this stock, probably I'll just buy maybe 15 units of the stock. Once I click on buy, seeing I just have 2,620 naira. So let's see how much that will get me. The period good for the day, and the limit price I want to buy 101. So now one good thing about stock is that you can put any price you want to buy. Let's say it's 191 naira now, you can say you want to buy it as 108 naira. So once it is 108 naira, that's when your stock will be executed. That's when your buy will be executed rather. So let me see how many you want to buy. Let's say 15. I don't know how many 15 will give us, but if it's within 2,620 naira, then I'm going to buy it. So 16 is giving us 2,900, so I have to go and change the stock now. 16 is quite too much. It should show insufficient balance based on what I'm playing with. So let's say 12 unit of the stock. Let's see how much that would be. So once I click on buy MTN stock, it's showing 2,337 naira. It's still quite bigger than what we have total. So okay, it's not bigger. We have 2,620 naira as the balance. So once I click on buy MTN shares and I just click on buy now, it's still going to show me your order has been processed, and once it's done, they will show my share, and you can see that I have my share now. This, you can see that everything will be deducted from my account, and once I check my portfolio, I'll be seeing the amount I have currently in my stock. So this is an avenue you can start trading in the Nigerian stock market. Know the time it's trading for. It's from 10 o'clock till 2:30 from Monday to Friday. And you should have known the company you want to invest in. And once you've gotten the money, or once you've funded your wallet, you can get started with trading in the Nigerian stock market. So one thing about investment, you should not be quick to sell off your investment, because sometimes investment can stay as much as 2 years to give you some profits you want. There are some persons that are coming to the investment as scalpers. Once you just increase, they want to sell and make some money. But there are some persons that are coming to investment in a long-term run. They are willing to wait for a long period of time so that they can sell in the market. You should understand that this is not a financial advice. Waxplight is not a financial institution. You are responsible for a financial decision. Do what to make some research before going about investing in any market. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have some questions, drop it in the comment section, and I'll look forward to replying all your comments as regards this subject. So don't forget to also like this video so that we reach out to lots of persons. So our next one, peace.